Hello, dear friends. Welcome to a magical journey to Green Gables, where a special girl named in lives, and Shirley is full of imagination and always finds adventure, even in the simplest things. Today, we'll share wonderful stories about them and the important lessons she learns. Our first story is about the power of imagination. It arrives at Green Gables, a beautiful farm, expecting a boy. Marilla and Matthew Cuthbert are surprised to find a girl instead, and, with her bright red hair and vivid imagination, sees beauty everywhere. She names the path to the lake the White Way of Delight, and upon the lake of shining waters. Even though things don't always go as planned, and teaches us that seeing the world with wonder can make every day an adventure. She shows us that a positive outlook can turn ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Next, we learn about the importance of honesty and owning up to our mistakes. One day, Anne accidentally dyes her hair green. She was trying to dye it black, but the dye had a terrible effect, and is mortified and tries to hide it, but eventually, she has to confess to Marilla. Marilla is upset but also understands Anne's predicament, and learns that it's always best to be honest, even when it's difficult. Being truthful helps us earn trust, and allows others to help us fix our mistakes. Our third story is about true friendship and forgiveness. Anne and her best friend, Diana Barry, are inseparable. One afternoon, Anne accidentally gives Diana currant wine instead of raspberry cordial, making Diana quite ill. Diana's mother forbids them from seeing each other. Anne is heartbroken. It takes time and a brave act from Anne, saving Diana's little sister from croup, for Diana's mother to forgive Anne, and allow their friendship to blossom again. This story teaches us that true friends stick together, and forgiveness is a powerful way to heal misunderstandings and strengthen bonds. These stories from Anne of Green Gables remind us of valuable lessons. Embrace imagination, always be honest, and cherish true friendships. What wonderful morals to live by. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Green Gables. We hope you enjoyed these moral stories. If you love these tales and want to hear more adventures, please subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming stories. See you next time.